before expiry of the panel decided, this counseling wise list is required. That's my prayer, my lord. Because it will not harm anyone, my lord. It is a very innocuous one. Because of that, they already, my lord, hold it. They gave appointment, counseling wise they gave appointment, and they might publish it, my lord, counseling wise. And not only that, my lord, on instruction, although yesterday night, my lord, I searched it, I did not get it. By on instruction, I say so the board can appraise this court. After, at that point of time, up to second round of counseling, board in their website, West Bengal Board of Secondary Education, although yesterday night I gone through it, but I not get it. Up to second round of counseling, board in their official website uploaded whoever got appointment up to second round of counseling. Board in their official website, they published. But after second round of counseling, they never published it. That's my instruction, but it may be wrong. But yesterday night, I gone through the board's website, I not get it. Might be they withdrew it.
Yes.
Can I make my submission?
Yes, certainly.
Kindly come to page 131, which he has cited. 130.
Yes, 130.
Very misleading statement is being made by the writ petitions. Page 130 is related to teaching and teaching staff. I mean class 9, 10, 11, 12. 131, 9, 10. Then 132. Group C. And Group C, kindly see, everything was done before expiration of the panel.
The last round is after expiry of the panel.
Wait, please wait.
You have said earlier after second round.
That is regarding 9.
After second round.
Yes.
Now, kindly see here, date of fourth counseling was 31st December 2018. Then number of vacancies so and so. Status of panel expired on 18 May 2019. Then before that. Then next one, 133 also, Group D. Date of fourth counseling was 31st December 2018. Status expired on 4th May 2019. There were his statement in the submissions of them. Then that's all right. But that will deal with in the teaching staff matter.
Yes.
That there was a stay of operation of the order, will deal with that. Therefore, whatever the submission is being made, that's totally to misguide this court, to mislead this order. There are a number of matters which has been done. Anyway, now for the timing it is there. Now, secondly, Millard, what is his legal right to ask for all the types of counseling? One of the most unsuccessful person is disturbing the court, is disturbing us. That is also not appreciated. This time he has filled up. Anything is wrong, that's a different thing. But it cannot be opened like an ocean. Simply because 2025 rule has been challenged. 2016 you were asking, not asking. He didn't ask from the 2016 when the writ petitions have been moved. Group C, Group D. Everything, every prayer was there in the earlier petitions. I will show it to your lords, which has not been allowed. Now he is asking, he want to open like an ocean. Therefore, my lord, I will make a request that your lordships should not kindly do not pass any interim order. My lord, your lordship, learned counsels. Supreme Court has never said about specifically tainted or tainted. Supreme Court has untainted and tainted. And untainted is restricted to only the persons who are in the employment. All benefits should go to them, not to anybody else. Those who are in the waiting list, CBI has not made any inquiry. Then they are kindly direct the CBI who are in the waiting list, whether their candidate will come for tainted or untainted. CBI only restricted, CBI has restricted his investigation only to the persons who were in employment. CBI has not crossed the limit, and who are the unlisted, waiting listed candidates, no investigation was made on their case. That doesn't mean it should be treated that they are untainted.
Before.
As I was indicating. My lord, if your lordship kindly comes to page 36. Page
Page?
36
Hmm.
for the writ petition, my lord.
Yes.
The prayer my learned friend is relying on, prayer H, is a final relief that he has claimed on the basis of pleadings, my lord, which your lordship may accept finally or not.
Hmm.
If your lordship kindly takes prayers K, L,
Hmm.
and M, my lord, none of these prayers are related to any category-wise publication of any list. My lord, the foundation of his prayer today is some people may have been engaged, appointed after the expiry of panel, as I have understood, my lord, because he may have made submissions, but I have not found any foundation in the first list, second list, first counseling, second counseling, etc. Ultimately, the buck stops that the panel expired on so and so date. Some people may have been appointed after that date. Your lordship has already pronounced an order, my lord, in Polash Noskor, that is WPA 22580. Polash Noskor, sorry. Polash Noskor WPA number is not, I'm sorry, 24996 of 2025. That is 1st December. Your lordship will kindly take paragraph 10 thereof. Your lordship has already directed the commission that as regards the candidates who were given appointment after expiry of the panel, their details shall be produced before this court on the returnable date.
This is in respect of only 9 and 10, isn't it? 9, 10, 11,
Polash
12.
Noskor
It is Group C, Group D. Kindly see
This is
paragraph
Group
1.
Oh, actually.
Group C, Group D, your lordship has
Right,
already directed the names to be produced before your lordship, my lord, those who were appointed after. Therefore, my lord, if his claim, my lord, as my learned senior, my lord, appearing for the commission already submits, my lord, if his claim is pertaining to people engaged after the expiry of panel, my lord, his cause of action was of 2018 and 2019. Therefore, his cause of action is not related to promulgation of the rules which is under challenge. The mere promulgation of the rules
All right,
does not
please.
give someone a right to challenge it.
Just to indicate two things, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, kindly turn page number 132, my lord. What learned senior friend, my lord, says that none of the in Group C, Group D category, none of the counseling is held after expiry of the panel. Entry 9, date of publication of final panel, 2012-2017. Panel expired on 2012-2018. Now, my lord,
18th May 2019.
Was it extended? Was the life of the panel extended?
never be.
Because page 132, the second
Yes, entry never be. It never. That's the was argument
Alright.
for the and
all right, I'll
and
see.
in each and every column they say so, and that was not accepted by the apex court. That is para 30 and 31.
The petitioners participated in the
My lord, a new argument has been made. Kindly see the rule. Earlier rule of 17. 2009.
the recruitment process for
My
appointment
lord,
as
my lord.
non-teaching staff. Stop. They challenge.
17.
They challenge the
My lord, kindly see the rules.
get open
Once time I was there in the
went to the posts of non-teaching staff bracket close rules, 2025. Stop. The petitioners also pray for an interim order directing the commission to publish the list of the candidates called for counseling in the earlier selection process conducted by the commission in the year 2016. Stop. Paragraph. The matter will be decided upon exchange of affidavits. Stop. Released for further consideration on 14th January 2026. Stop. All pleadings must be concluded prior to the adjourned date. Stop. The interim order that the petitioner is praying is being refused at this stage.
Grateful, my lord.
Service is taken on record and the deficit court fee is also taken on record. Yes, next.
Breaking it.
Lord, 9 I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Already 1909, I am for the state respondents led by Mr. Bhusho, who is in virtual mode.
My lord, this is my application for a direction upon the board, my lord, for changing my name to Jagannath to Shubhojit, my lord. On the last occasion, your lordship directed the board to file a report. Considering my gazette notification, my lord.
My report, your lordship. In copy, reported copy. এটা ফেরত দিয়ে দিলাম।
কোর্টকে অত বড় দিন আমাদের এইটুকু
Yes. What does the report say? My lord, kindly. May I? My lord, the petitioner, my lord, kindly may I read from paragraph number 3 of the report, your lordship. The petitioner registered himself as Jagannath Mitra with board and passed Madhyamik in 1994. Thereafter, my lord, senior secondary in 2012. Thereafter, he obtained some degree from the primary teaching institution and thereafter joined as a primary teacher in 2017. Now, my lord, passed Madhyamik in 1994 and he came up, he obtained all his service and all his certificates in the name of Jagannath Mitra. Now, in 2020, he made an application for change of name. Now, my lord, what I want to highlight before your lordship, my lord, paragraph 4. I state that petitioner declared his changed name as Shubhojit Mitra from Jagannath Mitra and got notified the same through the Gazette of India dated 2020. The said notification states that changed my name and shall hereafter be known as Shubhojit Mitra. My lord, that is in the Gazette notification, my lord, I have that. So, my lord, hereafter, that is on and from 2020, January 2020, he will become Shubhojit Mitra. It has got no retrospective effect. When he registered, and your lordship, when he was born, his birth certificate, it is Jagannath Mitra. Yes. Well, my only contention, my only submission is with lordship that board is an authority who only holds examination, examination in the state of West Bengal. Board is not the authority to change the name or identity of any person. Well, it is only civil court, my lord.
My lord, this issue has come up before the Honorable Supreme Court in various high courts, my lord. There are at least half a dozen judgments.
Please show.
Yes, my lord.
What are the benefits that you want to obtain by changing your name?
Well, it is my fundamental right. If the changing of name is a fundamental right guaranteed under Article 19(1) and 21. So, my lord, this has been enunciated by Supreme Court also, various high courts also, and those were also the board denied, and there was direction. Specific, if your lordship kindly comes to paragraph 171.
What is the benefit that you want to obtain? Are you retired or still in service?
In service, my lord.
You are still in service.
Still in service.
Oh, 46
Because the
years.
problem is this, my lord, I have changed all the PAN card, Aadhaar card, everything. From the next financial year, I cannot file the return also. My salary won't come. My salary would be coming in the old name, and my name has changed. Everything is there. So this is a predicament, my lord. For that,
Creating my service file.
the service file is there, my lord. Everything has to be changed. So after Gazette notification, after the public documents, as per Evidence Act, my lord, your lordship knows that the presumptive value of those documents. On the basis of that, everything has been done. Now the board cannot say on this flimsy grounds that no, these are absolutely technical grounds they are saying.
Well, my submission
And
is lordship.
exactly pat on the point, the judgments are there, my
Which portion? Madam, my submission
lordship
is
kindly comes to
change. What submission? Which paragraph?
your lordship will kindly come to paragraph 171, my lord.
Judgmental copy দিলে lordship
Reported, right?
না দিলে কি করে বুঝবো? আপনি কি দেখাচ্ছেন আমি 171?
Yes, my lord. 2021-7
একটা copy
SCC.
দিতে
ওই 100 পাতা কি করে তো কত করবে? 2021 volume 7 SCC page 535.
বার কর না কে বার 530
5. Para 171. Jigya Jadhav versus CBSE.
বের কর আছে না দেখ প্যারাগ্রাফ কত বলুন
171 বল
which portion do you want to rely on
entire para 171 বল
171 Is a big paragraph. You say which portion?
About what is it?
There are two categories in
There are
171.
two categories. One is correction and second is changing of name. The second part, madam.
You want the second one,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
That means you acquire the name by choice.
Yes.
Right. In the latter category, it says
Yes.
that the request may be entertained upon insisting for prior permission,
Yes,
declaration by the court of law.
yes.
The affidavit we have done.
No, that is
Affidavit is
That's the declaration, madam.
no.
Declaration before the first class.
Civil code. Before
Declaration-
civil code.
Are-
Obtain an order from civil code.
Fresh certificate in other situations.
Yes.
We have sweared an affidavit before the first class magistrate. That's a declaration, my lord.
No.
Thereafter, gazette notification.
Listen, had you not been in service,
Yes.
this would not have mattered. Since you are in service, all your service benefits are related to your name, to your identity.
Yes, madam.
And in the midst of the service career, you just think of changing your name. And without
That's what-
thinking,
Subject to correction, madam. That's my right. I can change any time.
very well, you change your name, the court is not directing
No, no,
the
I'm-
authority. You change your name to whatever name you wish. It's your choice, it's your fundamental right.
Yes.
And the board is not there, or the Article 12 authorities are not there only to go on changing their records, only because you thought
Lord-
of adopting a new name.
Madam, not on that. Madam, your lordship will kindly
Well,
come
you
to
have
the
to file
later portion of
declaration
171, madam.
And obtain an order from the civil court, and by that order, my lord, a direction upon the he has to get his birth certificate changed, and thereafter only board can change.
71.
171 lower portion.
I read it. I have expressed my mind as to how I read it.
Well,
Declaration by a court of law does not mean
Yes.
filing an affidavit.
Yes.
declaration subject to
When
correction.
Declaration suit.
in an affidavit, you declare, yes, I such and such declare my father's name is such, my age is such, my address is such. This is not. Can that be treated to be a declaration? In that case, let the matter be heard.
Let it be heard,
Lordship,
my lord. I shall produce all the judgments, my lord. I have at least 7-8 judgments, my lord. I will show before your lordship. And even in 2025,
The point.
even in 2025, my lord, there is another judgment of the Jammu Kashmir High Court
Please show-
considering all these judgments.
please show.
একটু judge সাহেবকে দিন।
You handed over the most voluminous one.
Yes, that's huh?
জম্মু হাইকোর্টে কি বললেন?
হ্যাঁ বলে দিচ্ছি।
2025 SCC online.
কি online JNK
JK
937.
7.
2025.
Which portion?
My lord,
2025.
paragraph 14, paragraph 19,